Good day, everyone. Welcome to our broadcast room. We are Shining Electronic Company Limited in China. Our company has 19 years history as a professional LED product supplier. This sudden outbreak of COVID-19 has caused a very serious impact. Many lighting exhibitions have been postponed or cancelled. Therefore, we specially hold this online lighting exhibition and will bring you the latest products produced by our factory through this live broadcast. This live show will last for 15 minutes. We will give the most detailed explanation from the appearance, function, and application of every product. In the meantime, if you have any question about the products, you can just type the question and send to us. Our salesman will answer you right away. Next, please enjoy an introduction video of our factory.
Our factory covers an area of nearly 30,000 square meters, has more than 300 employees, 30 quality control engineers, and has various production workshops for electronic appliances, hardware, plastics, plastic spray, and assembly. It is a national high-tech enterprise with ISO 901 approval, which passed in 2003. Holding more than 50 patents. Products have European and American certification. We have a full-range production line from materials to finished products, including hardware processing workshop, laser cutting workshop, reinforced plastic production workshop. We use the BMC material for lighting area. Here we can see the painting line from cleaning, polishing, spraying, and drying for lighting and other products. It's not only for self-use, and also for supporting other companies. We have totally 5 SMT lines to produce for LED modules and LED circuit board for LED drivers. They are only for self-use. We have our own electrical workshop to produce the LED drivers and controllers, also partial emergency kit. We have high-level driver quality for panel lights and downlights. All the workers on the line to be stable and young. This is very important to keep our quality on the stable level. These are 5 assembling lines and 3 package lines for producing LED panel lights, LED linear fixture, LED downlight, and ODM products. We have the full automatic agent test system, work from high voltage to low voltage. When series failed product, the machine will turn off automatically. We followed strictly 100% products have to be tested before package. We have 5,000 square meters warehouse for materials and finished products, and a special constant temperature and humidity warehouse for LED chip and components. We have our own DECRA ERP witness testing laboratory, integrating sphere test, IES darkroom test, high temperature and normal temperature test room. Series Electronical Testing Room, Process Engineering Department. All our samples come from here. We wish and are proud to run with you on your forward road, shining, an LED lighting dreamer, your best partner, will always be here waiting for you.
Now, we will show you our new products. On totally 9 new products, 5 LED standard models, and 4 UVC models. Let's invite our manager, Melody.
Hello everyone, I'm Melody. Today we will show you 9 new products. Now let's see the first one. This is the slim ceiling light, which we hot sell to European market. Now let's watch the video for the details.
This product range totally 5 sizes, 30 cm, 40, 50, 60, and 80 cm, and the thickness is only 1.8 cm. As we know, the standard ceiling light in the market is usually more than 5 cm. From the video, we can see the difference from our ceiling light and the standard ceiling light. The efficiency of the luminary is different. Our ceiling light has white, black, chrome, and satin nickel standard colors, and also we have different special colors. From the picture, we can see like wooden and colorful, Chinese styles, and even some DIY colors. The lumen per watt is around 90 lumen per watt. And as you know, the standard ceiling light is very hard to make more than 80 lumen per watt. Also, we have the CCT dimmable mode, switch by switch. First switch is white, then continue to switch, change the colors. It's wonderful to use warm white in winter and cool white in summer. Here we can see the anti-glare design. It is very great to protect people's eyes. For the wiring, we use the fastened terminal block to be easy wiring and more safe. Also, we can save much electricity cost. Before make the wiring, we can take this cover by the screwdriver very easily. Then, to make the fastened wiring. Finally, let's talk about installation. It's very simple. Here in back side, we can see 3 holes for screws. All the inner box we use have the location of 6 holes. We can put the part on the ceiling board, then use screwdriver give holes on ceiling board, then put in the screw nuts to put on the ceiling light into the screw. Then finish work. 30 cm size we designed is 23 watt. It can be used in 10 square meters room like bedroom and gallery. And the 40 cm size is designed by 32 watts. It can be used in the living room like big room. It's very simple and very fashion. It's very popular in young people's style. The biggest model is 80 cm diameter, and to use this as pendant light in commercial and public place is very bright and nice. By the way, if you use in corridor or gallery, we can use shining sensor with the ceiling light to get the sensor function.
Hello everyone, I'm glad to share with you our newly developed high voltage cabinet light. It has 3 regular sizes and power. 300, 500, 800 millimeter, which corresponds to 4 watts, 7 watts, 10 watts. Custom lens is also available. It has two kinds of cover. Let's take a closer look. This tool is 300 millimeter. This tool is 500 millimeter. It has two kinds of covers. This one is clear cover. This one is milky cover. And it has two accessory parts. Okay, let's connect it. And here is a connector with cable. Okay, light on. The biggest advantage of this light is that it's a high voltage light, no need for a driver. We can see the light is light on without a driver and only connect the cable and the mains power. Nowadays, most of cabinet lights are DC 12 voltage. There are low voltage lights need to be connected with a 12 voltage driver. That will be a problem. When installation, the driver is too big and has no suitable space, also affecting the appearance of furniture. Then our light can solve this problem. It no need a driver, and the driver cost will be saved. As we all know, the connectable quantity of low voltage light is limited by the driver, and the high voltage driver is very expensive. Our product can connect 125 pieces maximum with 500 watts. Finally, for the high voltage light, the biggest concern is about safety. So when we are designing this product, all details are considered under CE certification standards. The body is PC material, and the PCB board design and connector design comply with EMC standards. Above all, if you buy this product, 3 points need to be clear. Number 1, the cost of driver will be saved. Number 2, the connector quantity is unlimited. Number 3, it's safe and reliable. Welcome to consult with us. Thanks.
Hi, Todd from Shining Electronics. I'm here to introduce our new DIP switch IR sensor, jaw and watchable light. Each product includes with one brown box. If you need a color box, it is also available. One lamp packed in plastic bag. Product size 68 × 28 × 12 millimeters. Input voltage DC 5, 0.2 watts. Inside is 6 pieces SMD 28 and 35 LED chips, CRI80, PC body and PC cover with fire resistant function, with DIP switch here and IR sensor here. One iron plate with 3M tape on the back side. One instruction manual which will show you how to install lamp and how it works. About the installation, this lamp is surface mounted by magnet. No need screws, easy to install. First, remove the 3M tape here. Then stick the iron plate onto the jaw. Put the lamp on the plate. It will be fixed by magnet. About product function, as you can see, here is the DIP switch. Switch to A, open door, lights on. Close door, lights off. Switch to O, light off. Switch to H, light on. Here is the charge port. The lamp can be charged by Android cable. With 330 mAh lithium battery inside, it will take 3 hours to fully charge and can work for 1 month before next charging. Indicator light here will be green when charging and off when the battery is full. That's all. If you have any questions, please leave a message. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is a new intelligent and multi-functional downlight, which can realize CCT charged by switch, dimming, and CCT charged by remove and 2-year control as well. According to different requirements, we have designed 2 models. One is waterproof and another is anti-glare. This is the waterproof mode. Its diameter is 84 millimeters and the height is 56 millimeters. It is fully metal body. The driver body is made of V0 class frame retardant PC, equipped with a lens with the 60-degree beam angle. Based on our unique design, the front of the lamp can reach IP65 waterproof level. In the meantime, we add a waterproof ring in the back of the lamp, which can effectively prevent the water drop from spraying the back, so it is very suitable for kitchen and bathroom, outdoor corridor, and our other place. This is the anti-glare mode. We add a reflect cup on the base of the first one and make a hidden design of the light source. You can see that the reflect cup is very deep. Its diameter is 84 millimeters and the height is 80 millimeters. It also adopts fully metal body, V0 class frame retardant PC drive body. Its beam angle is 45 degrees, and the front waterproof ground is IP44. Here can change the color temperature of 3000 Kelvin or 4000 Kelvin by switch button. The user can preset the color temperature before installation. For wholesalers, the inventory can be reduced. For users, the appropriate color temperature can be selected according to different application associations. Both mode power is 7 volt. The color of the white and the black are available for choice. In the meantime, we also developed a remote control which control on-off switch, dimming, CCT changing, and other functions. Function display. Turn off. Turn on. Lower brightness. Increase brightness. Lower CCT. Increase CCT. Dimming. Night light. The first use, we need to match the lamp with the remote control. Firstly, we connect the wires, turn off the power, and press and hold any group of A, B, C. When the indicator light of the remote control flash quickly, turn on the power, and the lamp will automatically match the remote control. In this way, you can group the lamps in different areas separately and realize the spread control of each area. Each group can match more than 100 lamps.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shining Live Room. Along here. Today I'm going to introduce our smart panel light, 2-year app control Wi-Fi panel light and Bluetooth panel light. They are built into 2-year smart chips in drivers with matched slide of backlight panel lights. We could realize below functions: turning on or dimmable, CCT adjustable through 2-year smart app. Available for one smartphone to control multiple devices. For Wi-Fi panel lights, it can also set different things: lighting, color changing mode, lighting schedule, and timing. Brief introduction is over. Then let's get started. Take Wi-Fi panel as an example. First, we need to download Tuya Smart app. It can be searched in Apple Store or Android Market, or you can scan the QR code in menu to download. After download, finish register and log in. Then connect the smartphone with Wi-Fi and put Wi-Fi code in app. Then connect Wi-Fi driver and panel and power on. If we don't see flashing when power on, we need to power on off 3 times and keep each of time at about 2 seconds. We see the panel light flashing, then we match smartphone with the device. We need to do the same step when we reset. As I have matched it before, so I need to reset to see how it works. We power off. Each of the time 2 seconds. Then we match the panel light. Once its flashing is over, it began to match. Okay, it matched well. Let's see function. Power on. Dimmable. CCT adjustable. It's also with the seniors lighting like light, red, working, leisure, and you can edit different seniors lighting. But for color flash mode, you can choose static, flash, and breeze. And it is also available for light schedule and left time. And we can control device by group through Tuya Smart app. For Wi-Fi panel lights, after match we can control it by mobile data, even when we are outside. Bluetooth panel lights almost the same steps as I have connected before, so I just show the function here. First I need to power on the Wi-Fi panel light and power on the Bluetooth panel light. Power on. CCT adjustable. And the dimmable. Detailed operation can be also checked in our user manual. And we are developing a new type for echo speaker. It's really coming. Any question, please leave a message to us. Thanks for your kind viewing.
Next, we will show you our newest UV lamps. Before that, please allow me to share you several questions and answers for UV products. Question 1. Do you know how many types of germicidal lamps are in the market now? The market divided into the tube type, mercury germicidal lamp, and LED UVC portable germicidal lamp. Tube type, mercury germicidal lamp has high power, durable penetrating power, but it also has a high safety risk. It is suitable for space sterilization. Once the mercury lamp is working, people have to leave the area. The essential sterilization time is about 30 minutes, applied to a large area like the hospital. LED UVC portable germicidal lamp has low power, short germicidal distance, but its safety and suitable for portable sterilization. There is no risk as long as you follow the manual when using. The germicidal distance is 123 centimeters, and the germicidal time is 5 to 30 seconds, which is suitable for daily life. Question 2. Does the LED germicidal lamps can kill the virus and the bacteria indeed? The answer is yes. Here is the principle of UVC sterilization. Using UVC rays to irradiate bacteria, virus, and other microorganisms can destroy the molecular structure of DNA or RNA in the cells of organisms and can break DNA strand, nucleic acids, and proteins, causing bacterial death and regenerative cell death, and it has the best effect among all sterilization technologies. The germicidal rate can reach 99.999%. Question 3. Does LED UVC portable germicidal lamp harm to human body? Do we need to wear goggles when using? Exposed to LED UVC rays for a long time can be harmful to eyes, but it is safe for the skin without irradiating at a close distance for a long time. The design wattage of our portable germicidal lamp is 4 watts. For a long lifespan purpose, we intentionally reduce the current to keep actual wattage in 2.4 watts. Not too high to increase the possible risk, or too low to reduce the sterilization effect. It's safe to keep the germicidal lamp and eyes in the proper distance, less than 20 centimeters. Besides, we have designed safe gravity sensing to make it safer to use. According to the suggestion of SGS, it's better to wear goggles when using the germicidal lamp. Although the injury maybe cannot feel directly, it's better to avoid the risk that perhaps discovered after many years of use. Question 4. How to choose a great LED UVC portable germicidal lamp? First, you must know how many real LED UVC beads the product you purchase have. UVA, UVB, and UVC are all called ultraviolet rays, but only LED UVC beads with 200 to 208 nanometers wavelengths are available for germicidal purpose. Secondly, an excellent germicidal lamp should be with safety design and accessories, such as turn-on with long price, safe gravity sensor, or anti-UV goggles. Otherwise, it could be dangerous in use. Now, please enjoy the introduction of our UVC germicidal lamps.
Hello everyone, Todd from Shining. I'm here to introduce our new UVC germicidal table lamp. Each product includes with one brown box. If you need a color box, it is also available. One lamp packed in plastic bag. Product size 180 multiply 550 millimeters. Input voltage can be AC 220 or AC 110. 36 watts body material ABS and tube material coat can eliminate 99% ferrous. With 1.5 meter power cable, you can choose different plugs, one remote control, and one instruction manual. About the function, the lamp is controlled by remote control here, and the button switch here. For remote control, first, you need to remove the insulation spacer here. Press this button to turn on and turn off the light, and you can set sterilization time for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes by these three buttons. For button switch here, to set sterilization time to 15 minutes, press this button once. You will see red light around the button, and wait for 2 seconds. When lamp starts beeping, the light will be turned on in 30 seconds and turn off after 15 minutes automatically. For 30 minutes, press button twice and the light around the button will be green. For 60 minutes, press 3 times and the light around the button will be blue. You can put this lamp anywhere you like. One lamp for all rooms. Make sure there are no human beings or animals around when the light is on. That's all. If you have any questions, please leave a message. Thank you.
Firstly, we check the package. This is the inner box, the base, and the protect of the accessory, instruction sheet, and this is the UVC glasses to protect eyes. And this is the USB charge cable. This is the bag to be dust proof. And this is the fitting. Now we can see the finish of the product. It's made by metal, aluminum, and the finish is baking finish. It's very smooth and excellent finishing. Here we can see the UVC LED chip. It's 8 pieces real UVC chip. It's dual wavelength with UVC and UVA. The wavelength is 275 nm. We can see the UVC LED with 240 to 280 nm can effectively germicidal, others is not useful. Now we try to power on the lamp. Press and holding on the button for 3 seconds to switch on. This is to be safe for tried easy opening. To power off, it's more easier. To press and hold on the button for 1 second to switch off. Let's see the horizontal gravity sensing. When light turns over 135 degrees, it's power off automatically. If turned back, then power on again. Furthermore, we have also the vertical gravity sensing. When we make it working and put the light over 90 degrees, it will be shut down immediately. Then when we put back, it starts to work again. It is very safe for people to use the portable UVC products. Now we show how to use germicidal light. Switch on the light. Keep the light less than 5 cm over the object. Move light very slowly, around 15 to 30 seconds. It can finish work. Germicidal rate is around 99.99%. It will be shut down after 15 minutes working. After charge full, can be used more than 5 hours. Finally, when you don't use the light, we prepare for you the flannel bag to storage the products. Put in the light, glasses, charge cable. It's very easy to take with you in travel and in business trip.
Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you a UVC inside wardrobe lamp. A lamp used in your closet to sterilize your clothes. It has different lengths and powers, range from 412mm to 1162mm. LED light power range from 3 watts to 10 watts. The UVC light power is 1.3 wattage per set. Now I'm showing you two sizes here. It has 9 sizes. Today I'm showing you two sizes. This one is 562mm and this one is 162mm. The light is transformed from our old LED wardrobe light. This side is the normal lighting, and we made a little change, adding the UVC part here. The short one, we add 4 LED UV beads, and the long one, we add in 2 groups, add UV LED beads. And here is a PIR sensor switch. The sensor range is 2 meters. It has a 2 meters cable and with a quick connector. The light is 12 voltage, so you need to connect with a LED driver. Now we connect it. Okay, let's light on. The installation is very easy. First of all, you need to remove the under cap. And then here is a hole. You need to fix it with a screw. And then fix the end cap. Now we put it in our cabinet for a demonstration. The PIR sensor can sense an object movement in 2 meters. Now we close the door. The LED light off. At this time, indicator will flash. For a few seconds, the UVC light will be on. The wavelength of UVC is 275 nanometer, which can kill bacteria and virus effectively during 30 minutes. The genocidal rate can reach 99.9%. When you open the door, the UVC light will off and the normal light will be on. Finally, a safety notice: exposed to UV rays for a long time will be harmful to our skins and eyes, so avoiding direct contact during use. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Matthew. Did you know that some viruses can live on surface for up to 3 days? Today we introduce you our UVC lamp, which is designed to disinfect air and surface in a variety of environments. It is fast, effective, and safe. This is a LED panel light with integrated UVC tube. It is our patented design. In the middle is a UVC lamp with a power of 36 watts. and it is replaceable. In order to increase the radiation efficiency, we add a mirror reflector here. Used extensively by scientists for over 40 years, UVC is a known disinfectant for air, water, and surface. All bacteria and viruses tested to date respond to UVC radiation. UVC radiation is invisible to the human eyes in the wavelengths between 200 to 280 nanometers. At the specific wavelengths of 254 nanometers, it can be used for disinfection or purification, as it breaks the DNA of microorganisms and makes them harmless. Lamps with UVC radiation are safe as long as they are used by professionals that know how to apply it. When they use it, they'll need to shield their eyes and skin, as the light will cause damage to those. Individuals, however, should never use lamps with UVC radiation on themselves nor on animals. Our engineers also designed a safety mechanism. We add a smart microwave sensor here. We can set the delay time, disinfection time, and the detection area of the lamp by the front DIP switch. When you turn on the UVC lamp, the sensor will firstly detect whether someone is approaching. If there is no one, it will be turned on after a delay. You can set the delay time to 10 seconds or 20 seconds. When the UVC lamp is working, it will automatically turn off if someone approaching. When the person leaves, the UVC lamp will restart. You can set the disinfection time to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. At the same time, you can also set the disinfection area of the sensor to prevent false triggering. Through the above protective measures, we can safely use UVC lamps. In order to increase the flexibility of using, our engineers also have developed a solution to control the UVC lamp remotely. In addition, we can realize the grouping function by the remote control, set several UVC lights into a group, and we can control them all. In this case, we can use one remote to control the UVC lights in several areas separately. Here we can set 6 groups totally. Let's see the panel light. It is CCT tunable and dimmable. We can set the color temperature from warm to white. The light can be dimmable from 100% to 10%. There is a button to change the color temperature quickly between neutral white, cool white, and warm white. Also, there is a night light function. Same as the UVC lamp, the panel light can be also set into groups by remote. The fitting can be installed in recessed or surface mounted. We designed a special surface mounted kit, just like this. Easy for installation. And also, there are 2 quick connections for easy wiring. The coronavirus has spread to many countries and territories around the globe. And the World Health Organization has declared the virus epidemic. In many countries, hospitals and healthcare institutions are working around the clock to treat patients. While our lamp with UVC radiation cannot treat people directly, they can have a meaningful contribution. The UVC lamp will play an important role in a broad range of applications, such as hospitals, schools, offices, industrial, stores, museums, and public space. Not only now, but also the future.
Thanks for your kind visit to our live show. Next, all our salesmen will give you a thankful speech.
We are so appreciative for your visit to our first online show and hope you are interested in our products. If you want more information and price list, please contact with us. We may back in the next weeks, so focus on us. See you next time.
See you.